Hi, it's Anne McClellan. Today I would like to give you a shortcut to success, a very powerful shortcut to success, and that is to model success. Find someone that you admire who is where you would like to be, and then mimic their actions. Basically, just observe and role play. And I itemize below how you can do that pretty easily. Of course, you can always read books of people who are successful and you admire. You can listen to TED Talks. You can read blogs. So that's another way of modeling success. But the two things that I mentioned below, which is finding someone you can model as a mentor and observing and role-playing, are very powerful ways to get where you want to go quickly. I wish you the very best. I wish you lots of success. Take care. Be well. Bye.